Welcome to the third video of the IoT in Practice workshop. In the previous part we installed the operating system on the Raspberry Pi, and today we will install the Mosquitto MQTT broker on it. Let's get started. First we will install two packages, Mosquitto and Mosquitto clients. Mosquitto is our MQTT broker, and Mosquitto clients will allow us to run a client and test the broker. Alright, let's check the Mosquitto version. It looks good. We can check if the service is running using the command systemctl status mosquitto. It might be necessary to enable it after a reboot using the command systemctl enable mosquitto. To test the broker, type the command mosquitto sub. Add -h to specify the host. Since Mosquitto is running on this machine, the host is localhost. Add -t to specify the topic, for example test. Enter. Now, in a second window, log into the Pi as well and type the command mosquitto pub -h hostname -t topic -m and then the message in quotes. Enter. Okay, it works. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. Now let's make it so that the communication with the broker is impossible without authorization. To do this, we specify the path to a password file, which we will generate in a moment. Press Ctrl+X to save the file. Now generate the password file in the Mosquitto directory, naming it, for example, passwd, and providing the username at the end. Enter. Type the password for this user and press Enter. Confirm the password and Enter. Open the Mosquitto configuration file and add listener 1883 so that we can connect to the broker from an external device like a microcontroller, not just the host. Also add allow anonymous false so that the communication with the broker is not possible without providing a login and password. Restart the service and test it. Add -u username and -p password in quotes to the previous comment. My password for this user is not admin, so the message shouldn't send. And error appeared, just as we expected. Now I will type the correct password. It works.